how to file a dispute on Transunion. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can file a dispute on Transunion. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to file a dispute on Transunion, you have to follow these steps. Once your account is set up and you've logged in, use the site navigation to access the dispute tab and click Start Request. There you can choose the items you want to dispute. When you choose items to dispute, you'll be taken to a new screen and given options for that section of your credit report. If you select an account to dispute, you can provide details on what correction you want to make, and you'll have the option to upload relevant supporting documents. You can ask for multiple updates in the same dispute request. To include more updates in your dispute or select updates from other sections of your report, select Add another item to be taken back to the full credit report. Select each item you wish to dispute before finally submitting your request. When you've added all the items you need to your dispute request, submit it and they'll take it from there. So that's how you can file a dispute on Transunion. That's all for this video.